Unleashing the incredible health benefits of chia seeds, 9 mind-blowing reasons to add them to your diet. Welcome to a journey towards better health and vitality. Today, we're discovering the incredible health benefits of one of nature's most powerful superfoods, chia seeds. Chia seeds, tiny yet mighty, are the unsung heroes of the nutritional world. Packed with essential nutrients, they're the perfect addition to your daily diet. These small but potent seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for heart health, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing inflammation, and improving overall cardiovascular health. Chia seeds are also brimming with antioxidants, the body's defense against free radicals. Including them in your diet may help fight aging, promote healthier skin, and boost your immune system. Did you know that chia seeds are packed with dietary fiber? Just 2 tablespoons provide almost 40% of your daily fiber needs. Adding them to your meals can help regulate digestion and keep you feeling fuller for longer. With a high protein content, chia seeds are a great option for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to up their protein intake. They provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Surprisingly, these little seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products. By adding chia seeds to your diet, you're supporting strong bones and teeth, a vital part of maintaining overall health. Chia seeds can also help regulate blood sugar levels. They slow down the rate at which complex carbs are digested and then assimilated into the body. This assists in maintaining a steady energy level throughout the day. What's more, chia seeds are a fantastic source of iron, crucial for delivering oxygen to our muscles and tissues. A diet rich in iron can help combat fatigue and improve cognitive function. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals is as easy as sprinkling them over your breakfast cereal, mixing them into your smoothie, or baking them into your favorite bread. Remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is balance. Alongside regular exercise and adequate sleep. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods like chia seeds can help you meet your health and wellness goals. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the small but mighty chia seed. With their impressive nutritional profile and wide array of health benefits, they're a simple but powerful way to boost your health and vitality. Make the switch today and let your body reap the incredible benefits of chia seeds. Your health is your wealth, and with chia seeds, you're investing in a future of well-being and vitality. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards better health with chia seeds today. You'll be amazed at how this tiny seed can make a huge difference to your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.